partnership with Voorwood Company. Today we're going to be doing a demonstration of Voorwood's A5615 automatic double-side cope and stick system. This machine processes stile and rails for cabinet door frame manufacturing. They can produce 1,000 doors a shift or 4,000 parts in a shift. Without further ado, let's get to this demonstration. If you have any additional questions after watching this demonstration, feel free to reach out to your local rep and he'll be sure to answer any questions you might have. Thanks, and I'll see you in the video. Okay, so I have the stile and rail hoppers loaded. It helps to load the longest part at the bottom and the smallest parts at the top, but as long as it's stackable, is acceptable. I'm going to go ahead and run the rails first and then the stiles. So let's get going. Go ahead and turn it on. Here we go. We have our three sides shaped and balls inserted on the rails. And then we have our stiles, space balls inserted. And everything is sized and squared. The stiles are sized by your chop saw length, so that is not part of the process for the stiles. But on your rails, they are automatically sized to length.